Callable class in that. Good. So this is gonna pretty much the last video for that series, and then we'll actually like you to start from the beginning of the that what tutorial, so that you can actually get the fundamentals and basics of what actually knowing what to do with that before you start your Flutter project. And the Flutter code can actually be used for server side, can be used for the web, and also can be used for the mobile. So this is like learning something in 3 in 1. Okay, good. So pay critic, and then pay very rapid attention to what you're learning in terms of that, because you can do a lot with this. Okay, so we say this is actually what callable classes, and class treated as what a function, and also can implement call what method. Okay, so let's look at how we can actually implement this in our normal what in our normal code. So for example, we're gonna have a class, and this class should be beneath the what the main what function. Okay, so let me call the class. Oh, what's happening? Class, and then I'm gonna call this class person. Okay, and this person will actually have pretty much simple, just something like a text, very simple in here. And then I'll call this call string call, and this call, it's gonna have a parameter. So parameterize what class. So we said we're gonna have int here age, very easy, int here age, and here is what a string name. Okay, make sure a string is actually starting with the capital letters. Okay, so let's watch here. We say this is string, or okay, string. Get it right. And then the string is what name, name. Perfect. And then what are we gonna do here? Let me call this curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket, we're gonna return a bunch of string. Okay. Return. Oh, return. Okay. Return what? That's a string. Okay. And then string. So here we're gonna look. We're gonna write something like the name of the person is. Then we'll be calling a value into this variable. Okay, so this is name. It will hold a value soon, and then we have and the age is. So this is also will store a value in it. This is age, right? Good, perfect. And then I terminate this. So now let's now look at the function call, or let's create the what the object of the class. So this is var person. So person, okay, person. Then we say person1. Okay, then it's equal to the object person. Okay, person. Okay, then I terminate this. Perfect. Then now what are we gonna do? This person is actually gonna hold two what parameters, and these two parameters will be passed to the age and the name. So how do we pass that? Okay, so let's watch here. I'm gonna have another variable that will help us to display what? Display the message. Okay, the message or the string. Okay, then this is equal to person1. Okay, person1, and this is where we're gonna parse the parameter. So person1 is age of 42, and then the name will be what? Then okay, perfect. Then I terminate this. Okay, Then what should I do here? I need to actually display this to the user, and this is gonna be message. Perfect. Then I terminate this. Okay, so let me quickly take you through this. We had a class called person, and then we had a string type of our method, and this string, this method is called call, and then this string is a parameterized method. Okay, this whole thing is a method and it's a parameterized method. So we say we have int age, and then we have the string name, and here we return a string, and the string, we say the person, the name of the person is blah blah blah, the name. Okay, so the name here, since it's gonna hold the value from here, so we need to call it this way, and then the age is this, also hold the value that's from here, so we need to call it this way. Okay, then I print it on the screen. So let's see what's gonna display. So we say the name of the person is Ben and the age is 42. Perfect. So this is how we actually implement callable classes in that, and then we need to make sure we do what we have two, or let's say is a parameterized method, and this method is being called in the main, and the main, we call in the class, and the class is assigned to the reference variable, and the reference variable is also assigned to another variable, and this reference variable holds what, holds the two parameters that will be passed to the class, and then we'll print out this variable holding this and plus the string here. Perfect. So this is gonna be the end of our that tutorials, and then we're gonna have more other tutorials coming your way. We want you to subscribe to our channel and then turn on the notification bell, and then we'll always reach back to you when you have any question, and you post it down in the comment box. Okay, so we're gonna see you, and keep crashing the courses, and then keep studying, keep practicing, and then you're gonna be the perfect programmer. I'm out.